If you're using the Canon R50 V, stop scrolling. This lens might completely change your videos.
It's all about you, but you never commit, you never follow through, and who cares? It's a love affair.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're testing the Sigma 23mm f1.4 DC BN on the Canon R50 V. No spec overloads, no boring talk. Real vlog test, real result, let's go.
I try to tell you that I can make you love me when you say you don't, honey.
If you're into honest comment reviews and real world give tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.
With me and everything is better when it's all been done, honey. Nothing lasts forever but
First, why this lens? 23mm on APS-C, that's around 35mm full frame equivalent. That means natural look, perfect for vlogging, street and everyday content. Not too wide, not too tight, just right.
with you. Oh my, you alright. I've watched you change your mind like 1,000.
Build quality? This doesn't feel like a cheap lens, or metal, compact, and when you put in the Canon R50 V, the setups look thin, like content creator setup, not beginner anymore.
Isn't any feeling that won't work? And I tried.
So this is the talking head type of vlogging. So we're using the Canon R50.
So this is the real test for vlogging. We have handheld test, and then we are walking test, and talking to the camera test. This is where the 23mm shines. You get enough background, but still nice subject separation. At the f1.4, background blur is crazy for this size.
And you still roll on to that. I just think it's a shame that both of us are going insane. We can't keep saying that we don't feel the same. Which one of us will shoulder the blame? 'Cause I can make you love me when you say you don't, honey. I can take
Autofocus on the R50 V, face tracking and eye detection. And honestly, this is a fast and reliable, even when moving, still up.
Your sleep just past 7. The sun's not yet given anything. Song like a quartet that I know was forced.
Now, let's talk about low light. This is where the lens destroyed the kit lens. f1.4 means brighter image, cleaner video, less noise. So if you're shooting at night, indoors, cafe, this lens is a game changer.
Your selection on my sofa, my bleeding, you know.
Let's be real. This lens is perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, street photographers, content creators upgrading from tip lens. But if you want ultra wide, this is not for you. Now the big questions. Is it worth it? Honestly, yes. If you are using the Canon R50 V, this is one of the best upgrades you can buy. Better quality, better low light, more professional look. If you want to level up your content without buying a new camera, this is the move. And I don't chase trends, I use what it works. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more real world desk gear.
I walk ahead you. The sun broke the capture, it clear made a rapture disappear.